Hey guys, Bradley here with FlooringInc.com, back again to talk to you about the differences between porcelain and ceramic tiles. If you're not a tiling expert, you might actually think these are the same. I mean, after all, they do look the same and they are made out of the same stuff. So how can they be different? Here's your chance to find out. Porcelain is made up of a refined clay that is dried and pressed into shape under incredibly high pressure before it's glazed. After the glaze, porcelain is fired to 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit. These blazing temperatures burn all of the moisture out of the tile, leaving it incredibly durable and impervious to water. Since porcelain comes from dense clay, the end result is less porous. That means porcelain is less absorbent, making it both waterproof and stain resistant. A denser tile also means a more durable tile. Porcelain is perfect for those high moisture, high traffic areas like bathrooms, hallways, and kitchens. Some products are even approved for outdoor use and pools. Please check with the manufacturer to see what they specify. One great thing about porcelain tile is you have options as far as body color goes. If you choose a color body tile and you chip it, the color under the surface is the same, and the imperfection will be less noticeable. Chips happen, so it's nice to have that little piece of extra security knowing they won't be super obvious. Ceramic is a more affordable alternative to porcelain. These tiles are also made up of clay, but the mixture isn't as dense. After it's dried and glazed, a ceramic tile is fired at 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. This process sets the glaze and bakes out the moisture at a lower temperature than porcelain. These differences in materials and manufacturing make ceramic tiles less dense and more porous. Chips and cracking are more likely with ceramic. Since ceramic tile is more porous, it is more susceptible to absorbing moisture, making it a bad performer in freeze and thaw conditions. For this reason, it should be used indoors only. Additionally, ceramic isn't waterproof on its own. The tile needs to be glazed to offer that water resistance you would expect. If the tile sustains any surface damage, the color underneath the glaze will be visible. Usually ceramic body clays are red or brown in color, which don't usually match the surface pattern or color of the tile. That can reduce the visual appeal of your floor, so keep this in mind when considering your options. When choosing between porcelain and ceramic, it's hard to say one is better than the other. Both offer a durable, waterproof surface as long as the tile is glazed. Chipping is more visible with ceramic, and porcelain is more durable, but ceramic is still more affordable. In the end, the best choice for you depends on your needs. Now you know everything you need to know about porcelain and ceramic tiles. Thanks for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe button if you want to see more videos, or you can always check us out at FlooringInc.com.